We seem to have a problem here. A baby bird is lost. So I'm going to chase him onto the grass. There you go. That's a baby bird. Onto the grass. Onto the grass. Let's go. Let's go. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Move along. Farther. I want you to get off the street, young man. Keep going, keep going. Uh-oh. Somebody just attacked me. Hey, I'm trying to save your baby. I'm trying to save your baby. Now you stay over there. Don't worry about me. I'm gone now. That daddy got mad at me. Everything's fine now. Mission accomplished.